Hey there, budget buddies. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to reconcile your accounts in YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. If you're new to YNAB, reconciling is like double-checking your math to ensure your app's records match your bank's statements. It's a crucial step for accurate budgeting and avoiding surprises. Let's dive right in. First things first, why bother reconciling? It helps you spot any discrepancies, like forgotten transactions or bank errors, keeping your budget rock solid. To get started, open up your YNAB app or website and log in. Once you're in, head over to the Accounts tab and select the account you want to reconcile, say, your checking account. Now, look for the Reconcile button, usually found at the top of the account page. Click on it, and YNAB will prompt you to enter your current bank statement balance. Make sure you have your latest statement handy. This is key for accuracy. Type in the exact amount from your bank. Next, YNAB will show you a list of transactions that need to be cleared. These are the ones that have actually posted in your bank account. Go through them one by one. For each transaction, check if it's cleared in YNAB by clicking the circle next to it. If something doesn't match, you might need to edit or add a transaction to fix it. Once everything lines up, hit the Reconcile button again. YNAB will confirm if your balances match. If they do, you're all set, great job. If not, double-check your entries or investigate any unmatched amounts. Remember, reconciling might take a few minutes, but it's worth it for peace of mind. There you have it, folks. Reconciling your accounts in YNAB is straightforward and keeps your finances on track. Try it out after your next bank statement, and if you run into any issues, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more budgeting tips. See you next time.